Okay, so you have your new No Tech Neck sticker. But what do you do with it? Well, the thing is, when you see it, it's to help remind you that you can hold your head in a different position when you're using your technology, whether it's handheld or your laptop. And this exercise is the head ramping exercise. And when we tend to look at tech, we tend to have our head forward and down and also out in front of us. And so your head's pretty heavy, and when it's way out in front of you, it's not as well supported as it could be. So these little decals are a reminder for you to ramp your head. So if my head's out in front of me, I have a few ways to get my head back. The first one is I can pick my head up with my middle back. I can actually just pick my entire rib cage up, which brings my head back. But my head is still, relatively speaking, still in front of my body. I can also pick my chin up. And so if you've ever used bifocals, then you might be used to the getting your head up by extending just the upper part of your neck, right? So there's a third option. That's what we're after today. That's what the sticker is to remind you to do. And that is keep your chest down and don't lift your chin, but instead pull your face away from the device and also up towards the ceiling. So I'll show you again. Here, my head is, I'm very engrossed in whatever's going on here, but I don't have to be on my screen in this way. I can ramp my head, which is to pull the back of my head towards the wall behind me and the top of my head towards the ceiling or the sky above me, because you can do this outside too. So that's head ramping. And you can use head ramping not only when you're using your devices, but also when you're walking. So if you're out walking and you notice that your torso's out in front or your head's out in front, remember to maybe put your hand on the front of your chest, keep that down and bring your head back, and it makes your neck longer. It creates that tension. Tensile force through the back of your neck pulls the vertebrae. If you've got a lot of upper back curve or neck curve, it can work to reduce that. So stickers, ramp your head when you see it.